Sayulita Wellness, home of your inner peace.
Hello, dear one. Welcome to this quiet moment. This time is just for you. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place, a chair, a cushion, or lying down, whatever feels best. Allow yourself to settle in, no rush. You are safe here. This is your time to be gentle with yourself. Let your body relax. If it feels right, close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Rest your hands easily in your lap or by your sides. Take a slow, gentle breath in and a long, soft breath out. There's nothing to prove here. Just be as you are. This moment is a gift you give yourself. We're here together to create a space of peace. If you're preparing for a new journey, like a plant medicine retreat, it's okay to feel whatever you're feeling. This meditation is a gentle friend, here to help you find a little more ease. We'll do this together, step by step, with kindness. Think of this time as a warm, safe hug for your heart. This is your sanctuary, a place to be completely yourself. Let go of any need to try hard. Simply allow yourself to be present. This is an act of love for yourself. You are taking care of your inner world. You are creating a space for healing. And that is a beautiful thing. You deserve this kindness. You deserve this peace. Let your breath anchor you in this moment. Notice the support beneath you. Allow your body to feel heavy and relaxed. Let your mind settle like dust floating to the ground. You are here, and that is enough. Welcome to your quiet space. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air coming in and out. No need to change it. Feel the natural rhythm, like a gentle wave. Just rest your attention here. Notice your chest rising and falling, or your belly expanding and softening. Each breath is new, a gift of life. Let your breath be your anchor, holding you steady in this moment. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. With each breath out, imagine letting go, releasing any tightness. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, your belly be soft. If you notice tension, breathe into that place. As you exhale, invite the tension to melt away, like snow in the sun. Each exhale is a chance to release a little more, to become lighter. Your breath connects your mind and body, reminding you that you are alive. When you feel lost or unsure, return to your breath. It is your safe harbor. Let it soothe and calm you. Trust this simple, powerful friend. It is always here to support you. Allow your breath to guide you back to peace. Notice how your body feels as you breathe. Let your breath create space inside you. With every inhale, invite and calm. With every exhale, let go of what you no longer need. Feel the gentle rhythm of life moving through you. You are supported by your breath. You are safe in this moment. Let your breath be your companion. Rest in this gentle awareness. There is nothing else you need to do. Just breathe. Just be. You are enough. As you rest with your breath, you might notice some fear, especially if you're facing something new. Fear is natural, a part of being human. It's okay to feel it. You don't need to push it away. Fear often comes from a place that wants to keep you safe, a worried friend trying to protect you. When fear arises, remember it's not your enemy, but a signal from your inner protector. This understanding can soften your heart toward fear. We don't need to fight or banish it. Instead, be curious. Listen with a gentle heart. What is this fear trying to tell you? Sometimes just listening quietly helps. Offer your presence and gentle attention. Fear wants to be heard and acknowledged. Feeling fear means you care about your journey and well-being. Let the fear be here if it's present. We're not trying to destroy it, but to be with it. Hold it with compassion, like a small bird in your hands. Gently, tenderly. You are learning to be a kind friend to all parts of yourself. This is the beginning of healing. You are stronger than you think. Trust your ability to hold even strong emotions. Let your breath support you as you sit with fear. Notice how it changes when you offer it kindness. You are not alone in this. Every feeling is welcome here. You are learning to befriend yourself. This is true courage. You are safe. Now, invite gentle acceptance of any fear you feel, without judgment, just noticing. Here is fear. Like a cloud passing through the sky. Allow it to be. Acceptance creates space for healing. Where do you feel this fear in your body? Scan gently. Maybe it's tightness in your chest, fluttering in your stomach, tense shoulders, or cold hands. There's no right or wrong. Just notice where fear lives in you. Be curious and gentle. Your body holds wisdom. Once you find where fear resides, bring your kind attention there. Imagine sending your warm breath to this area, gently holding the feeling. Offer it kindness and softness. You might silently say, "It's okay, I am here with you." You're not trying to change the feeling, just being present with it. This is how healing begins. All your feelings are welcome. They are messengers with something to teach. When you listen with an open heart, you grow. You are capable of holding strong emotions. Trust this process of gentle acceptance. You are learning to befriend every part of yourself. This is courage. Let your breath soothe the place where fear lives. Notice if it shifts, even a little. You are safe to feel. You are safe to heal. Let your body relax around the fear. You are not alone in this experience. Every sensation is part of your journey. You are growing stronger with each breath. Trust yourself. Trust this moment. You are enough. You are healing. Now use your breath in a special way. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in calm and safety, a warm, gentle light filling your body. Let this calm spread through your heart, belly, arms, and legs. This light soothes tension and comforts worry. In this moment, you are held and breathing in peace. As you breathe out, imagine gently releasing fear, like a feather floating away. No need to force it, just a gentle intention to let go. With each exhale, let a little worry leave you. Breathing in calm, breathing out fear, a sacred exchange. This gentle cleansing brings ease to your heart. It's normal to feel nervous before new things, especially a plant medicine journey. Your feelings are valid and understood. This journey is a step toward healing and deeper understanding. Be gentle with any nervousness. It's a sign you're on the verge of something meaningful. Let your breath support you in this sacred exchange. You are preparing for positive change. Trust the process. Trust yourself. You are ready. Now think of the plant medicine as a wise, ancient guide, a teacher from the earth. This medicine is not new or frightening. It has been a friend to humans for generations. It comes from nature, part of the great web of life, holding deep intelligence. This sacred medicine has helped people heal, find peace, and understand themselves. It can unlock doors within you, doors to love, understanding, and healing. It knows the way and has guided many before you. It is a gentle, powerful ally on your path. Invite a sense of trust. Trust in this ancient process, in the wisdom of the plant medicine, and in those who will support you. The people at your retreat are there to keep you safe and guide you with care. Most importantly, trust yourself, your inner wisdom and ability to navigate this journey. You have an inner compass that knows the way to healing. The medicine is here to help, not harm. It meets you with compassion, exactly where you are. It will show you what you need to see and help you release what you're ready to let go of. Think of it as a wise elder, holding your hand and guiding you gently. You are stepping into a space of profound potential for healing. Trust the journey ahead. You are supported. You are ready for this next step. Let your heart open to the experience. Let your mind rest in trust. You are not alone. The path is before you. Walk it with courage. Walk it with love. You are prepared. You are safe. Let's try a gentle visualization for any remaining fear. Imagine fear as a soft mist or light cloud around you, not heavy, just passing through. With each breath out, see the mist lifting, becoming lighter, drifting away. The air clears, the path ahead opens. Fear is not stuck. It can move and transform. Your breath is a gentle breeze, helping it dissipate. As the mist lifts, invite in words of strength, affirmations for your heart. Repeat silently, I am safe. Feel these words in your body. I am held. Know you are supported. I am supported by the earth, by your guides, by your own strength. Let these truths sink in, comforting and empowering you. Healing is possible for me. Believe this in your heart. I trust the wisdom within me. You have a deep well of knowing inside. I am strong and resilient. You have faced challenges before and come through. These words are seeds of courage, Water them with belief. Feel your inner light shine as the mist of fear recedes. You are more than your fear. You are resilient. You are ready for what's ahead. Let these affirmations guide you. Let them be your anchor. You are strong. Remember, you are not alone on this path. Many others have walked this way, feeling nervousness and hope. You are part of a community of seekers and healers, longing for peace and understanding. There is comfort in this shared humanity. When you sit in ceremony, you'll be held in a space of shared intention. There is great power in this connection, a reminder that we are all in this together. Your journey is unique, yet part of a larger human story of courage and transformation. This retreat is an invitation to release what no longer serves you, old patterns, fears, and stories. Imagine gently clearing out a room, making space for new light and energy. This releasing is a loving act. As you release, you come home to your true self, the part of you that is already whole, peaceful, and loving. Your true self is like a deep, quiet pool beneath the surface of thoughts and emotions. This journey is about remembering and returning to that place of inner peace and wisdom. You are coming home to your authentic, beautiful being. Let go of what you no longer need. Welcome in your true self. You are enough. You are whole. You are loved. Let this truth settle in your heart. You are supported by the community around you. You are supported by your own courage. Trust this return to yourself. Trust your journey. You are home. Let's seal this meditation with a few affirmations, gentle words for your heart. Repeat softly. I treat myself with compassion. I trust myself on this journey. I am open to healing and growth. Feel these words resonate within you. They are truths about your spirit. Take a few grounding breaths. Feel your body, the support beneath you, the earth holding you, solid and stable. Allow yourself to feel rooted, grounded in this present moment. This moment is real and safe. You are here, you are present. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly and gently. Take your time. There is no rush. When it feels right, softly open your eyes. Notice the colors and light around you. Welcome yourself back. Carry this sense of peace with you. Know that you are deeply supported. The retreat space is created with love and care for your well-being. You are entering a journey of profound discovery. Be gentle with yourself. Trust the process. You have everything you need within you to navigate this experience with grace and courage. We are honored to walk this path with you. You are ready. You are whole. Thank you for being here.